Today's video about the most destroyed Subaru I can find off the auction. The car, it's pretty destroyed. It seems like it hit a tree really hard at 70 miles an hour or even faster than that. So I'm here testing out the new scooter and look what just chopped off. Bro, it looks insane the amount of damage this car has. They took out the skin. You're the driver? Sir, you subscribe before you end up like this car. Let's get to the video. Cool. Good car. I think he got it. Hey, let's go. Alright, now we gotta run over there. So here's the car. This is the most destroyed Subaru I can find. Let's open the hood real quick. In the auction, we could even see the motor. The motor looks fine. It hit a tree. You can see the pieces of the tree there. This is where we disassembled the whole car already. But let me know in the comments below how much you think we won this car for and if it's even worth fixing. But let's show you guys the struggle of getting this thing off the trailer. Let's get straight into it. So we tried pushing the car off the trailer and it took about 3 people and it looked good until right here. It got stuck and bottomed out on the trailer. So we brought out the Subaru Forester manual and we put the piece in the back and we brought the car to tow the car with the other Subaru. And once we did that, we tied the 2 cars together and we pulled the car with the Forester, and the Preza in theory should come off the trailer.
They don't want to move. Go. Mommy and her glasses. It's moving.
Alrighty, so this is the first time opening the hood and oh my gosh, it is so much worse than I expected. Fuse box broken, radiator, condenser, alternator, battery exploded literally in pieces. You can see right here the battery and the oil filter, the fuse boxes, battery, everything's just crunched up, and technically this car went on fire as well. It exploded. Thank God it wasn't worse than that. Everywhere we look, it's just extremely bad. Hood, windshield, fender, apron is bent completely. You can see the pieces of the tree on the windshield. It's just insane the amount of damage it has. Then we started to pull the car back into its location that we want the car to be in, which just transporting this car took 2 hours to just get it from out of the trailer to the spot that we're trying to get it into. You can see the door, the apron, there's a hole in the apron. The fender, holes in the fender, I mean, it's bad. Whole side panel is destroyed. Everywhere you look in this car, it's just extremely destroyed. Fenders crunched up, hoods crunched up. Everything's just bad. You can see the pieces of the tree in the apron right here. As you can see, the pieces of tree is right there. Because he hit a tree. You can see all the pieces of the tree right there. It was pretty bad. Like I said, had to be going more than 70 miles an hour for this to happen, as we can see from the dash. So yeah, then we used the jack to jack the car up and try to push the car with the jack to the spot where we're trying to get the car to. Next video will be probably trying to get this thing started, or even possibly driving. Yeah.
It was raining. Started leaning when they brought it.
I told you guys to
Hit a tree.
Yeah, but why would it right there?
The whole tree is on.
Oh no, I don't know.
That was my first one.
It's out.
Whoa!
It's
Yes.
out. It's good.
Yes, this is the first time I got a rim that's broken inside.
This is gonna be
Why is
for
that?
real.
Why is that fun?
You found gold?
Oh, it's gonna be for real. Hold on. Making a
You
real.
found gold?
It's been broken over here.
Sarah, flip it. Sarah, flip it. It flip it so obedient. I like this type. Ooh. Ooh.
Alrighty, so I disassembled the car. Here we have the radiator and the battery. It doesn't even look like a battery anymore. And the fans. So all that's left is all this here. It's pretty bad. I might change the fuel box because we do have a parts car here. It's another Subaru that we had before. And the best part is that all this is still good on this car. And this car has the fuse box and everything else that we need. So pretty good there. There's a lot of poop there. Okay, so I took everything out of here. And now I'm going to see if I can put some power onto this stuff on the leads and terminals and see if we could get something going on. 150? I'm gonna say 200.
200. See, 200 no good, Tommy.
You wanna try? I looked at everything, looks alright to put wire.
De corriente.
Oh, we got ignition. Ah, I was right.
Huh?
238. Wanna see if it starts? Alrighty, so I'm inside the car. Neutral. See if the car starts. It's spinning. Okay, so take 2 of trying to start this thing. Nope. So we just finished changing the fuse box. So clutch in.
Really difficult 6 or 7 months. We lost 7 family members. And
This car took a gnarly hit right here. It's pretty bad, pretty pushed in here. And you can see there's a whole hole. Everything's pushed this way. You can see over there, that's literally sticking out. The door is pretty bad. Broke all the hinge bolts right here. Broken. Only one bolt holding it. It's pretty insane. Alrighty, so that's gonna be a wrap for today's video. This video was pretty much just show you guys the car. You can take a quick walk around. Here's the side. We already changed the suspension in this car, which you'll see in the next video. Next video, we are going to try to see if we could get this car running and driving, and probably even fix the car up. But gotta catch you on the next video. And the next video is going to be better than this video. All the footage from this video is pretty much from my siblings and my mom. So great shout out to them. And I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and God bless. It works!